RA 9262. Who can file a case under RA 9262? A case under RA 9262 can be filed by the following individuals. Number 1. The woman victim. This includes women in any of the following relationship: wife or ex-wife, girlfriend or ex-girlfriend, live-in partner or ex-live-in partner. Number 2. Any person with personal knowledge of the offense. Examples include family members, neighbors, or law enforcement officers who directly witness the abuse or its effects. Who can be charged under RA 9262? The law allows cases to be filed against husband or ex-husband, boyfriend or ex-boyfriend, live-in partner or ex-live-in partner, father of the victim's children, biological or otherwise, depending on the relationship context. Important note on children. In RA 9262, the term children under RA 9262 refers specifically to a child below 18 years of age, a child regardless of age who is incapable of taking care of themselves due to a physical or mental disability. Classification on applicability to adults. If the child is 18 or older and does not have disability, the provisions of RA 9262 may no longer apply. However, separate laws such as the Revised Penal Code or family-related laws may address the abuse.